Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music on Instagram Notes. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Now you have to click your Instagram Messenger. You have to tap this one. And then as you can see, there is a note right here. So basically, if you want to add a music to your note, then all you have to do first is you have to go to your Google Play Store, like I've mentioned before. You have to update or you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram. Search Instagram, tap update, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done, or if you're using the latest version, then you can now open your Instagram application. And then this time, what you're going to do is you have to locate your Instagram Messenger. So as you can see, there is note right here. Tap this one. Once you tap this, then you will see this music icon below. It's a new feature. So you have to click this, and then you can now search for that specific song that you want to add here to your note. So basically, if you tap this, then Instagram will give you tons of music that you can choose. But if you want to look for a specific song, then all you have to do is go to the search icon or search bar and then look for the specific song. So as you can see, there is For You and there is Browse. So you can search that specific music. So let's just say you want to add something here, but you can see it under For You or Browse. So tap this magnifying glass icon or search icon and then look for the specific song, the title of the song here. And then after that, what you're going to do is you have to click this play button. Now you have also the control of, the part of the song, which part of the song you want to add to your notes. So you just have to drag this, listen, and then once done, all you have to do is to click this check icon and that's it. So your Instagram friends will see this note right here and then they can also listen to this. So you can, set this to close friends or to anyone who follows you. As easy as
So
that.
if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.